Hi, everybody. My name is Angeline Rhodes, and I am super excited about telling you how I became a financial expert whose goal is to get 1 million families out of debt, including their mortgage, student loans, and all other debts in 9 years or less without them spending any more money than they are spending right now. My story started when I became a new mom. I had an 8-month-old daughter, and at the time I was taking care of my disabled uncle. We were moving him back to Jamaica because he had a home there, and we were losing his supporting income. So, of course, now my husband said, well, it's now time for you to get a job, a real job. So I did what everybody does, sent out resumes, put out applications. I didn't get any calls, didn't get called in for an interview. And I felt really bad about this because my husband was working full time, going to school full time. And I really wanted to help him. But I was torn because I always said that when I became a mom, I would be the one to train my kids, to take care of them. I would be the one who would be there for all the important moments. I was at the airport with my uncle, taking him to Jamaica, when I got a text. The text read something like this: Thank you for being a valued client. Appreciate your business. I'm looking for a couple of sharp people to work with me. Let me know if you know anyone who's looking for a great opportunity. I met with a person after I came back from Jamaica and pretty much told them, you teach me how to make full time income without sacrificing my family, and then we'll work together. This was my first introduction to the financial industry. I was super excited. I would learn how to get out of debt. I would learn how to save for my kids' college fund, how to retire well. I was learning all of these new concepts, how to snowball your debt, how to save, Roth IRAs. I was learning all of these cool things. And the greatest thing about it was I could teach myself and then teach somebody else, which was so cool, right? Fast forward. So this is 8 years later. I now have 3 kids. And my youngest son is now at the point where he's about to go to school full time. It was about this time that my husband started to hate his job. It was just really hard for him to go to work. And because of the stress of all of our debts, he started having minor health issues. I decided that, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and go full time. And when I go full time, I'll be able to work enough money so that my husband would be able to get off his job and then he could decide what he wanted to do. But the weird thing was, our bills, our debts just kept piling up. Our savings just completely eliminated. We were snowballing our debts. We were consolidating our student loans. We were making extra payments on our debts. We even had a credit repair person that was helping us. But we weren't getting anywhere. I just felt so hopeless because these same concepts that I'm practicing, I'm teaching my clients, and they're not working. So what's the point? What's the point of making appointments? What's the point of even going out and talking to people when the things that should be working are not working? I started thinking there has to be something better. There has to be something more. I had a client who he met with this company, brand new company in the industry, and he wanted my financial opinion on them because he knew I was familiar with the industry. So I sat in on the call with him, and needless to say, I ended up transferring to that company. I thought, oh, wow, this is definitely what we're looking for, right? I was an agent before, now I'm a broker, so I'll be able to make more money. And I thought this was so cool. My husband at this point had started trading Forex, and I was thinking, oh, now I can make the money and give it to him, and he can invest it, and we're going to be debt free, and all of these exciting things. Still snowballing our debts, still making extra payments, still consolidating our loans, still working on our credit. And even though we were doing better, We were managing our debts. We weren't eliminating them. And I was like, wow, we're trying to get out of debt. Why aren't these things working? The company that I partnered with as a broker partnered with this company that introduced us to a brand new concept. And I remember them telling us, well, the way for you to really get out of debt is for you to become your own bank. Like, okay, become our own bank. Okay, you become your own bank. You're able to save money, retire with tax favored income. You'll be able to have emergency fund, save for your kids' college while eliminating your debts, including your mortgage, in 9 years or less. So my husband and I, wow, we've never heard of that before. And then the weird thing was they told us that their program was guaranteed. It's like, okay, guaranteed. So we decided to give it a try. We decided to give it a go ahead. And I could tell you that we are going to be out of debt, student loan, mortgage, debit card, debt, credit cards, loans, auto loans, completely debt free without spending any more money that we were spending in 7.8 years. Oh my God, I was so blown away. We just bought our house 3 years ago. So we're 27 years left in our mortgage and we're going to be debt free completely in 7.8 years. I remember going to the bank when we were making our very first payment into our plan. And I felt this, like someone took a brick off my shoulder. That sick feeling I had on the inside just turned into laughter, and I just started laughing, and I was like, wow, this is actually happening. We can see the finish line. My clients now are just super excited because now they have a plan that actually works, and they know exactly when they're going to be free of each and every debt that they have. My husband is happier. He's not as stressed anymore. He's able to enjoy his kids. He goes to their games, goes to their practices, because now we can see it. We can see when we are going to be debt free. I started thinking, how many more people are out there just like us who are doing the best they can when it comes to making sure that they take responsibility of their debt, but somehow are not getting the results they want? So I came up with this plan to help 1 million families get out of debt in 9 years or less, including your mortgage, completely eliminating your mortgage and your student loans without spending any more money than you are spending right now. If you want to be one of those families, click the button below. I am super excited about meeting you and helping you becoming financially independent.